Oh no! All of my numbers got mixed up. Can you help me put them back in the right order? Thanks! Let's go! Let's start here. This is the number 1, and that's one circle. This circle is purple. Can you help me find the number that's a 1 and purple? Yes, it's right here. Let's look really closely. This is the number 1. That's the color purple. And look close, those are circles. We got the right one. Okay, so that's the first one that goes here. Now, let's count the ring. Start with our first ring, which is purple. Let's count together. 1. Great job. Are you ready for the next one? Let's see what we have. This is a 2, and those are 2 ovals. Let's count them to be sure. 1, 2. Great job. This color is dark blue. Can you help me find a dark blue number 2? Yes, it's right here. Okay, let's see what we have. Dark blue, the number 2, and ovals. An oval is like a circle that's been squished. Great, let's put it right here. And now we can count the rings. We have our next color, which is blue, and there are 2 rings. Here we go. 1 and 2. Okay, next we have the number 3. In here, I see 3 triangles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. This color is light blue. Okay, can you help me find the number 3 that's light blue? Good job! Let's look really closely and see what we have. That's the number 3. The color is light blue. And do you see the little triangles there? We have the right one! You're doing so great. Okay, now it's time to count those rings. Will you help me? Do you remember how many there are? Let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. Next we have the number 4. What are these? Do you know what shape those are? It's a rectangle. Let's count them and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dark green rectangles. Okay, now we need to find the number 4. Do you see it? Yes, it's right here. Let's make sure we got the right one. That's the number 4. The color is dark green, and there are rectangles on it. We did great. Okay, let's put that there. It's time to count our dark green rings. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are you ready for our next number? Let's count the stars that are in there and see what number it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Did you know that stars have 5 points on them? And this color is light green. Do you see the number 5 here? Yes, it's right here. Okay, let's look close. That's the number 5. That's light green, and those are stars on it. You got the right one. Now let's count the rings together. Now we have our light green rings. Do you remember how many? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wow, we're starting to get a lot of rings. What do we have next? Do you know what number comes after 5? It's the number 6. These are hexagons. Hexagons have 6 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the color yellow. Okay, can you help me find a yellow number 6? Here it is on the end. Let's see. That's the number 6. This is the color yellow, and those are hexagons. That's a fun word. Now it's time for the rings. Do you remember what color this is? Can I hear you say it? Yellow, right! Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. Let's look at this number. It's the number 7. In here we have hearts. Let's count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you know what color this is? It looks orange. Now help me find the number 7 that's orange. Here! You did it! That's a 7. That's orange. And do you see the hearts? Yes! Let's put it right there. Now let's count the rings. Okay, I know you can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 orange rings. Those are squares. Let's count them and see what number this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, this is the number 8. And there are 8 squares. This color is a light red. Which one of these is the number 8? Yes, you did it. That's the number 8. That's a light red. And do you see the squares? Great job. Let's put it right there. And now, time to count the rings. We're almost done. Are you ready to count these rings? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job! It's time for our last one. I think we can see that this one is the number 9. But what's that in there? Those are half circles. Let's count them and be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is a dark red. Okay, let's put that number 9 in there. And now it's time to count the rings. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 9. Let's count them all one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great job!